Here's a few tips and tricks for using your web gallery. If you use the custom link that I sent you, you'll go directly to your gallery. Otherwise, just type in sessions.hesterphotography.com into your web browser and you'll land on this page. This shows all the galleries. Click on your gallery. I'll choose this one for an example. Enter your email. Mine's in memory. And click on View Gallery now. The first thing that you'll see will be the thumbnails of each one of your images down the left side of the page. You can scroll down if you're looking for a particular image or group of images and click on one. You can also rearrange these by clicking on this icon here in the lower left. This one will allow you to resize the images, bigger or smaller. And the thing that looks like a movie screen will of course play a slideshow, an interesting way to show your friends the entire gallery. But back to the main screen here. The second thing you'll notice is that the first photograph is highlighted, and underneath it you'll see the name or number of the particular image, and then you'll see 4 icons. I'll come back to them, but I want to emphasize the favorites icon because it's the most useful tool that you have. As you go through your images, you find an image that you like, click on the favorites icon. That'll put a little star up in the top, and it'll also list the number of favorites you have at the top of the screen. And then you can just page through these by using the right arrow, and you can click on those that you like. And you can always unfavorite something, so don't hesitate to click on multiple images of the same thing if you want to compare them. This is an excellent way to do it. I'm just going to go through here and click a few favorites, and then we'll discuss what else you can do with the favorites. Alright, we've picked a few favorites. So what I'm going to do now is go to the favorites arrow. It shows that we have 4 chosen. There's the 4 right there in a grouping. You can click on any one of them to get them bigger. Or if you want to look at all 4 of them at the same time, you can do that. And again, you have this same bar at the bottom, except that now it says unfavorite instead of favorite. So if you decide you don't like that image, you click the unfavorite button and it disappears from the favorite list. Now let's briefly look at the other buttons. The filter is interesting. If you click on filter, it gives you the option of changing it to black and white. If you decide you want back, you just click on it again and hit the original pop-up, and you'll be back to color. The share button allows you to share with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest with just one click. And of course, we've already discussed the right arrow that takes you to your next image. My suggestion is to mark all your favorites, click on favorites, then click on add to cart. And what's going to happen is each one of these images, and you see that image number at the top, will open a pop-up window that allows you to choose prints or digital files or canvases or metals or products or retouching or even albums and books. But primarily you're interested in prints, and you simply go down the list here and pick the size of print you want. There's a 20 by 40. We can look at luster or metallic, and there's a description of each different one of those. And then you simply click on the one that you want and put a number in and say add to cart. And it takes you back to the main window and allows you to go through the rest of your favorites and pick them and add them to the cart. So you go through each image one at a time. Let's say that you just wanted a 4x6 of this. You would click on one. And metallic is not available in that size, so that's why you're not seeing it. But after you're done, you'll see that your cart here is reflecting the number of images you have in your cart. You're still looking at favorites, but if you want to go back and look at the entire photos, you could just click the photos window and now you're back. Each favorite has been marked with a star. Each thing that's in your cart has been marked with a little cart. So you can keep up with where you are at the process very easily. Now let's take a look at the cart. If you click on the cart, it shows you how many photographs are in the cart. It shows you a thumbnail. If you click on this, when you're hovering over the image, it says adjust crop. And you can crop the picture any way you want to. If you want to do higher or lower or smaller or larger, as long as you stay with the perspective that you chose when you chose the print. So you can manage the print sizes and options, or you can remove it from the cart. And you can do this to each and every image that you have chosen. Manage sizes and options brings you back into that same screen that you had originally, and allows you to add add prints or take them away, as the case may be. And then you're right back to your cart. You add your promo code if you have one, and hit update cart. When you've finished with that, you can either continue shopping, you can empty the cart and start over, or you can begin your checkout. When you begin your checkout, that takes you to another screen that you enter your contact and shipping information in and your billing information. You accept the terms of sale and you review the order. Now, it won't allow me to review this order because I haven't completed the contact and shipping information. So it's a way of ensuring that you get everything in the right place before you review the order. Once you've done all that, the review order page will open and allow you to review your order and make any final changes that you wish, add notes, anything else, and then you're done. That's the end of this brief tips and tricks. I hope that it helps. If you need any help anywhere along the way, feel free to call or email me. I can access your pending orders or your favorites from my screen and talk with you, or we can do a screen share. Please note, however, that once you place the order and I review and approve it for the lab, it is non-cancelable. The orders are shipped directly to you, normally within a day, plus the shipping time, of course. Thank you very much.